So Shiv's asking here, in your website, you say that in one-on-one meetings, there's an energetic transmission taking place. Can you tell us how this came to be? Yeah, so on my webpage where I break down my one-on-one meetings, I say, let me pull up the exact wording because I think that might matter in this instance. What do I say? I say, in these sessions, beyond just words, I offer a transmission of spiritual energy that serves to activate, awaken, and heal the deepest parts of your being. This transmission occurs spontaneously. So I don't do energy work. Like I don't say, come to me, I'll give you energy work. It happens spontaneously, which means I have nothing to do with it. I'm just here. If you're in a position where that's something that's necessary for you, well, it will come through. And if nothing comes through, well, that just wasn't necessary at the time. Sometimes people will report to me that they're feeling something. Teresa there, we met for a call. She's saying she can vouch for that. Thank you. Lauren saying here the transmission goes on now. So I just described that. Part of it, why I share that is so that people aren't taken aback if something like that happens. They were somewhat informed about it. It just happens sometimes. And I'm definitely not the only one. This is pretty standard for anybody dealing with this type of energetic force or energetic type of awakening. You know, when we enter into a context like this, we all get relaxed, open, these things start to happen. It happens on these calls as well. I don't say I'm gonna do a, Q&A meeting or after dark meeting and there's going to be some energy transmission. I don't know. Sometimes I'll even say, oh, I can feel it. Do you guys feel it? Like, oh, it's interesting. Something has come up. I'm just like a participant in it, really. So that's what I can say about that. It just came to be just by virtue of going through this process. The nervous system begins to become radiant of this energy, right? Lauren's relating as well. It's true in her experience too. And like even when Aaliyah was speaking, I could feel the transmission for her, and I imagine that that's spontaneous, right? I don't think she decided to raise her hand and start giving everyone a transmission. It's just coming through, right? Just coming through. Right? Colin's sharing here. I feel it when I have any exchange with anyone with an active Kundalini. Right. Yeah. Very sensitive. Teresa says, I've had clients say they felt some kind of energy transfer, download, healing, or whatever when I've worked with them. Violet says same. Yeah. So it's nothing specific to me, right? I'm not special. It's just this is a human phenomena. It just kind of happens. Some, of course, are skilled and offered in an active way, right? And they may describe it as a Shaktipat transmission, or they describe it as energy healing, that sort of thing. And it's valid for sure. It's valid. I like to work in more of a passive way. Passive way. Yeah. Now, thanks everyone for jumping in and commenting on your experiences with that.